Impulse Dynamics is a company that makes an implantable device to treat patients with class 3 heart failure, improve their symptoms, improve their quality of life. We approached Perlow Productions with doing a patient education video for our charger. Communication between us and Perlow Productions has been excellent, very open communication. Each step of the way, we've been able to go back and forth with script, making sure that's correct, animation, as well as the video. But being able to have somebody that's very personable, understands what we do with what we're looking for in this project has been immensely important, and we feel like Perlow Productions has done that. The return investment, I don't know if we can actually put a dollar figure on it, because I mean, it's not something to measure, but our call volume has definitely gone down since we've had this video available to patients. It's worth every dollar that we spent on this. Very pleased with the investment that we made with Perlow to do these videos for patient education.